So this is the door jamb to my closet, and the previous owners probably switched these out a few times, and over time you just lose your holes. So like this hole on the bottom here, you can't get a screw in there anymore. If you try to, what happens is it just comes right out. This thing is called a strike plate that goes in here. And I tried switching it out with a different strike plate, but the problem isn't the strike plate, it's the holes. So I thought I was kind of in trouble because I thought I was going to have the door rehung with new trim, and that was going to be expensive. So this is the strike plate that came with my door hardware. And this was a different strike plate that I found on Amazon. And what I liked about this is the holes don't line up with the holes in my door trim. So I'm going to try to just screw this in and see if the door will close. It may not close. It may require me to chisel into my door trim so that this is recessed, but we'll see. So I only put one screw in for right now, just to see if the door will latch, and it won't. See? So I've got to try again, back to the drawing board. I feel like this isn't the first time this has been done to this door. As a matter of fact, I'm certain it's not the first time it's been done. You can see evidence that it's been done before. But now it works. I have to get a different tool to tighten that. But good job, Susie.